boxing. Oh, dude, this is pretty hype. Oh yeah. Oh, there it is. Dang! What? Let's go. I hope this is just so cool. I hope it feels as good as it looks. Oh, dude, this I'm not going nowhere. I'm able to rip so hard now. This is so sick. Oh, this is nice. I gotta get this in the car. So, the next thing we're gonna do is remove the old driver's seat that's really beat up, and then put its stock sliding rails on this Sprint, and then install the seat, and it'll be done. But first, we have to finish my diffuser. But this video for the diffuser is probably gonna come before the seat. So, anyway. Let's continue with the seat install. Alright guys, so as you can see, my old seat, anyway, don't pay attention to that, but we're gonna take out the 4 bolts that are holding it. I think they're 14 mil or something, and I'm gonna take this out, remove the stock sliders, and then throw it on the Sparco Sprint. So it should be pretty easy. Let's get this out. Alright guys, with the seat out, the sliders, I'm pretty sure it's a 10 mil, so was it one right here, just 4 bolts again. And we should be able to mount it on there. Oh, maybe we take this off. Not 100% sure, but alright guys, so the seat rails do require a bit of modification. So with the front of them bolted in, as you can see, the hole is covered, so we're just gonna have to drill this out right here. With obviously just make a new hole for the bolt, and the OEM bolts do thread in, so that's pretty cool. And yeah, so we'll slide these on, and then we'll have the seat installed. Everything working here. Yeah, so the seatbelt thing just kind of will flop around because nothing's going to hold that in, because there's nowhere for it to mount, obviously. So yeah, anyway, let's drill these holes real quick and continue on the installs. Well, it is in the car, but we're going to have to do a little bit more modification to the seat rail because they're sitting at a different angle than the seat. The seat's again a little wider, so we're going to have to loosen them up a little bit so they slide. And yeah, because right now they don't slide because it's on there really tight. So time to take it back out and fix it and get it back in here. Well, alright guys, so this is the final product, using the original sliders. The seat does slide forward, and I decided to string the seat belt through where our racing harness would go, through the bottom part, and then back to the original bolt hole so that it doesn't get stuck behind this and close the door. And again, I did have to do some frame modification to get the seat fitting properly, but she's in there. She's not really gonna go anywhere, hopefully. But anyway, I just got to test drive it. This thing's like fitted now. Looks so sick. All right, guys. So the seat feels pretty good right now. The only thing we're gonna have to test is how stable it is, because right now it is only bolted down on my right side. So this side of the car is only bolted down because I had to adjust the spike that goes down into the frame to kind of secure it, and we're gonna have to drill and tap a new hole for a screw so we hopefully get out. So yeah, I guess it's time to find out if that actually happens. So we definitely need to put some bolts on this side of the car. As you guys saw in the video, we do shake around a little bit, but that's okay for now. It's a little sketchy, but disregard that. Anyway, the only thing hard about this seat, or any real racing seat that doesn't recline or anything and has like crazy bolstering on the side, is getting in and out of it and reversing and messing, at least in Miatas, in the MB at least, you have to like put your arm in a weird way to get the windows down. Shifting's fine, everything else is fine. It's just stuff like that, like center console's pretty annoying because you got this bolstering, but overall the seat's pretty good, really comfortable. It really increased my confidence in going around corners. Like with my old seat, I was sliding around. I don't know, I didn't really get any videos of it, but it was pretty bad. And yeah, this thing just locks me in. It's really nice. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Helps the channel a lot, helps us grow even more. And I hope you guys like the things that are coming on the channel, like the new cars and buddies. Something that's gonna be pretty crazy coming up in the future in about a month. So yeah, I hope you guys just stay tuned for that. It's gonna be really crazy. You guys may or may not like it. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Again, don't forget to subscribe. But until the next video, goodbye.